guys, that's a Jeffy puppet. Hey, my name's Jeffy. See this here on my shoes. Jeffy. Got a long hand. See. My name's Jeffy. See this here on my shoes. It didn't even took me that long. All I had to use was these and paper. And also tape. Right here. I forgot to put it up. I'm just showcasing it. The leg. Okay, we're first gonna start with the head. Hard to make, bruh. The legs, not that hard. The arms, not that hard. And the torso, not that hard. It's only just the head that was hard. And I also make the eyes, the teeth. Only one part of it was hard. Yeah, what's going on, boy? Hey. Sawa. I wanna know your name. What is it? Oh, Cook Boy. That's a cool name. I wish I had that name. Anyways, I'm gonna go eat me some chocolate cake. It's just the way the leg just wiggle. No. Bye-bye. I'm gonna go eat some chocolate cake. Jeffy, no. Yo, should I actually make a market puppet? Where am I in yet? It's okay, Jeffy. I will make it soon. And part two, coming up on. I don't know because I don't know the date right now. I'm making a video right now. Hold on, let me see. It will be on August 19, I think. I just checked and I forgot already. So, bye-bye. My phone's on 1%, so I gotta go quick.